Welcome to Auto Explorer, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, where today, we take a close look at one of India's most iconic hatchbacks, the Maruti Suzuki WagonR. This tall boy hatch has been a household name for decades, blending practicality with a bold, modern design. Let's start with the front fascia. The WagonR features a high-set, sculpted bonnet that gives it an assertive road presence. The sleek chrome grille with Suzuki's signature emblem seamlessly integrates with the angular headlamps. These large, swept-back headlamps not only enhance the car's aesthetics but also provide excellent illumination for night driving. Lower down, the bold bumper houses a wide rear dam, complemented by neatly placed fog lamp housings, enhancing both aerodynamics and visibility. Moving to the side profile, the WagonR stays true to its legendary tall boy stance, offering impressive headroom and a commanding view of the road. The straight lines and boxy proportions give it a purposeful look. Maruti Suzuki has smartly designed the body to minimize visual bulk. The flared wheel arches add a bit of muscle to the otherwise simple silhouette. The 14-inch alloy wheels or steel rims, depending on the variant, blend well with the car's overall stance. The ORVMs are now electrically adjustable, adding a touch of modern convenience, and the door handles retain their clean, practical design. Now, coming to the rear, the WagonR sports a clean yet functional design. The tall, vertically stacked tail lamps extend along the pillars, making the car instantly recognizable even from a distance. The large rear windshield ensures excellent rear visibility, enhancing safety while reversing. The subtle integrated spoiler on the top adds a bit of sportiness, while the wide tailgate makes loading and unloading cargo a breeze. The lower bumper is kept simple, with reflectors positioned to enhance nighttime visibility. On the road, the WagonR's design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. The high ground clearance helps tackle rough patches, speed breakers, and urban potholes with ease, making it a practical choice for Indian roads. The compact footprint ensures effortless maneuverability, while the tall seating position enhances driving confidence. So, that's a detailed look at the exterior of the Maruti Suzuki WagonR. It's a perfect blend of practicality, modern styling, and functional design, making it an ideal choice for city driving. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Explorer for more such detailed car reviews. See you in the next video. Drive safe.